are here to celebrate India's 75th year of independence. Independence Day, the journey through decade. As India has completed its 74th year of independence, we take a look at the 7 decades that have gone by, highlighting some of the major events that helped shape the nation. With the fervor of freedom on one side and the aftermath of partition on the other, a young India in 1947 tackled its own share of trials. In the initial few years, a war with Pakistan over Kashmir within the first year of independence, integration of the states that formed the Union of India. Today, and amid that, building a nation that could stand the test of the time, among several others. We take a look at some events that shaped India in the decades that followed.
Good morning. I am Radhika and I am going to tell you about the formative decade which was from 1950 to 1960. Election Commission and Supreme Court formed. The Constitution comes into force. 1951 to 52, the first 5-year plan is released in 1951. In the very next year, Nehru-led INC win first general election. India also hosts its first Asian Games. 1953, the first linguistic state, Andhra Pradesh, comes into being after a long drawn out agitation. Later, the State Reorganization Act 1956 paves a way for the formation of other states. 1957, Jammu and Kashmir owns constitution, keeping the instrument of accession, Article 370 and its subsequent addition in mind comes into effect. 1959, the Dalai Lama escapes the Chinese Red Army, flees Tibet, and seeks asylum in India. This is seen as a preceding event to something that major that happens in the next decade. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I Tejal and I'm going to highlight the decade that saw wars. In 1961, Goa is liberated and became a union territory. In 1962, Indo-China War happened where China declared a ceasefire after a month of warring. In 1965, Second Indo-Pakistan War was over Kashmir. In 1966 and 67, Green Revolution gathered steam in the Kharif season of 1966 and 67 when the introduction of the high yielding variety program and an objective to attain self-sufficiency in food by 1970 and 71. In 1966, India gets its first woman prime minister Indira Gandhi. In 1967, the Nalbari peasant revolt in the Darjeeling district of West Bengal takes center stage. In 1969, India's ascent to space wings with the formation of the Indian National Space Organization, nationalization of banks, wings, and 14 major private banks were nationalized. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Deepika and I'm going to highlight the decades that questioned democracy between 1970 to 1980. 1971, Third Indo-Pakistan War. This time, Bangladesh, then East Pakistan, is the point of conflict. India fights to liberate Bangladesh. 1974, India's first nuclear test at Pokhran. Pokhran 1, nicknamed as Similin Buddha, comes under international security. 1975, Prime Minister Indira Gandhi declares national emergency. 1977, emergency comes to an end and India gets its non-Congress government at the center. Thank you.
Hello everyone, myself Gunjan Sharma. Today I'm here to highlight the decade from 1983 to 1985, the decade that birthed the passion for cricket. 1983, India wins its first Cricket World Cup, then known as the Prudential Cup, under the captaincy of Kapil Dev, defeating two-time champions West Indies. 1984, Operation Blue Star is launched to snuff out Jarnail Singh Bhindranwale and other militants inside the Golden Temple. PM Indira Gandhi was assassinated by her six bodyguards, of which one was killed and the other was captured alive. The Bhopal gas tragedy kills thousands overnight. 1985. Kanishka Air India Flight 182, operating on the Toronto Montreal London Delhi route, blown up mid air allegedly by Sikh extremists in retaliation for the anti Sikh riots in the aftermath of Indira Gandhi's death. Thank you.
Myself Sanya, and today I am here to highlight the decade from 1990 to 1999, the decade of feast and thoughts. 1990, VP Singh government tabled the Mandal Commission recommendation for 27% OBC reservation in government service job. 1991, former Prime Minister Rajiv Gandhi is assassinated in Sriperumbudur by the Liberation Tiger of Tamil Nadu. Prime Minister P.V. Narasimha Rao and his Finance Minister Manmohan Singh herald a new era of economic liberation, privatization, and India's economy opens up the foreign investment. 1992. The Babri Masjid is demolished in Ayodhya. 1993. Serial blast rocked the Mumbai. 1998. Pokhran 2 or Operation Shakti 98. India conducts 5 nuclear tests. 1999. Indian airline flight IC-814 hijacked and taken to Qatar, and Masood Azhar, Pakistan-based terrorist outfit Jaish-e-Mohammed's founder and leader jailed in India, is among those released in exchange for the passenger. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I'm Sartaj and I'm here to highlight the decade that saw India's journey to the moon from year 2000 to 2010. Year 2000, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand and Uttarakhand become India's new states. Year 2001, the attack on Indian parliament takes place. Jaish-e-Mohammed and Lashkar-e-Taiba take responsibility. Year 2002, the Gujarat riots take place after the S6 coach of Sabarmati Express is set ablaze at the Godhra railway station. Year 2005, India implements the Right to Information Act. Year 2007, India wins the inaugural T20 Cricket World Cup. Year 2008, India reaches for the moon with Chandrayaan 1. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Neha and I'm going to highlight from the year 2010 to 2020, New India in the making. 2010, the first Aadhaar card was issued. In year 2011, India wins the ODI Cricket World Cup after 28 years. In year 2013, ISRO launches the Mars Orbiter mission Mangalyaan in November. In year 2014, BJP comes to power with a clear majority with Prime Minister Narendra Modi at the helm. And the same year, Telangana becomes India's 29th state. In year 2015, Niti Aayog replaces the Planning Commission of India. In year 2016, demonetization was announced in November. In year 2017, GST comes into effect in July and replaces most indirect taxes. In year 2019, BJP returns to power with record majority. And ISRO launches Chandrayaan 2. And the same year, Parliament passes the Jammu and Kashmir Reorganization Bill, bifurcating the state into the Union territories of Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh, and abrogates Article 370 that granted special status to the state. And 2020, top science and technological achievements of India was India's first hydrogen fuel cell car. Thank you.
I am Dipti Agrawal and today I will tell you the important events in India 2021. On 16 January, the Indian government begins the mass vaccination campaign for COVID-19. On 1st August, the Indian badminton player PV Sindhu won the Olympic bronze medal and became the India's first woman and second athlete after Sushil Kumar to win 2 Olympic medals. On 6 August, the Rajiv Gandhi Ratna Award was renamed as Major Gyan Chand Khel Ratna Award by the Prime Minister of India. On 7 August, the Neeraj Chopra, an Indian athlete, won the men's javelin throw in Tokyo Olympics, and ended a 120-year wait for Olympic medal in athletes for India. Thank you.
Hello everyone, myself Sakshi. Now it's up to the end, and I would like to be the ending with some of conclusion. Bringing independence India by freeing it from the British rule and developing it to an independent country was not easy. In this journey of being a successful country, India has overcome many challenges and great missions. After such struggles, today India has the world's largest democracy. It is the only country in Asia that has remained democratic ever since it gained its independence from British rule. And now it is our duty to abide by the Constitution and respect its ideals and institutions, the national flag and the national anthem. Meet the young India, emerging with flying color, dynamic, versatile in every manner. Let the world know we are back with the bang. Allah might have forgotten, but never can I. May the tricolor of my country falls very high. Happy Independence Day to all the Indian cities, all the citizens of independent India. Thank you.
Happy Independence Day to all.
Happy Independence Day.
Happy
Happy
Independence
Independence Day.
Happy Independence Day to all.